Hello everyone, my name is Henry Amogu and I'm with the solutions team here at Vectorworks. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to some parametric tools, or you can think of them as smart tools that can help bring your landscape design projects to life. So let's dive in. I'll start off with our massive model tool, which can be found within your site planning toolset. And with this tool, you can create buildings for illustrative purposes. But please note that you can also use the wall, the window, the door, and many more tools to design buildings in Vectorworks. So with the massive model tool selected, you can select one of the tool modes to draw your building outline, and remember, you can always type your specific dimensions as you draw your shape. You can quickly give the model a name, adjust some of your settings like your building height, pitched roof, and so on. And once you click OK, you get to see your building in 2D as well as 3D. Pretty amazing, right? For the next tool, you can choose the hardscape tool to draw a quick patio space, and you can select one of these hardscape styles or create a custom hardscape style. And once you have your hardscape selected, you can start drawing your shape. And as soon as the shape is completed, you'll see it represented in 2D as well as 3D. In a very similar fashion, you can also select the landscape area tool to draw in a grass area. And like I've saved some in my favorites folder here, you can create and save as many custom landscape area styles as you want. And once you've selected your landscape area style, simply draw the area, and just like before, you'll see it come to life in 2D and 3D. We also have a planting tool for your planting needs, and once it's selected, you can choose a plant style from our extensive list of plants, or you can create your own plants from scratch. And once your plants are selected, you can then start to place them within your drawing area and see what they look like in 2D and in 3D. Pretty amazing, right? There are many more parametric tools available for your landscape needs, and if you'd like to know more, please feel free to reach out to schedule a one-on-one demo with a solution specialist, or you can also explore many more tutorials and helpful guides on Vectorworks University, or check out our onboarding content to get the most out of your trial.